Hello to all of you. I hope you've managed to get through the last few months of lockdown, and now on the weekend of the 4th of July it looks like we're starting to get back to some sort of normality. For those of you wanting to do some sailing on courses or charter, there are still limitations, and the UK specifically is still largely locked down for commercial operation. But the good news is that Gibraltar and our way schools in Gibraltar are open for business, and we are particularly close to Jolly Parrot Sailing, which is one of the largest schools in Gibraltar. Those of you that have sailed with them will know that they offer a fantastic experience, and they have given me a discount code which gives all those that book with them a 5% discount on bookings this year in 2020. The discount code is FT21. As you can see, the website is available for you to browse on. It's jollyparrot.co.uk. They have all the usual courses you'd expect of an RWA sailing or training centre. They've also got a lot of Mediterranean adventures, going to different places around the Med, all of them with a fully experienced, qualified skipper. Or you can do bareboat charter. They've got, I think, 9 boats now available for charter, ranging from Bavaria 36 right the way through to 50-footers. If you go on to the website and check out the calendar, you can see what's available, which courses are available when, and EasyJet and various other airlines are currently offering good value flights into Gibraltar direct from the UK. So that's my little pitch. 5% off when you use the discount code FT21, Foxtrot Tango 21. And if you want to ask more details, just speak to Clive Dodd at Jolly Parrot, Clive or Jenny, and they'll be able to answer your questions. Please say that Mark Burks at Fierce Turtle sent you along. Sail safe.